Hello lovely people, my name is Caitlin Knight and today I'm here to talk to you guys about Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Last week we talked about how to get a diagnosis and a little bit about the Biden scale. This week I want to talk to you more about what symptoms Ehlers-Danlos can cause and a little bit about the vagus nerve. I want to start off this video by saying I am not a medical professional and all the information here is my interpretation or my understanding of science and biology and how it works. So the vagus nerve is a nerve that starts in your skull, goes down your spines, and moves into 3 separate parts of your body. It controls your anxiety, your digestive system, your immune system, and your heart rate. The reason this is important with Ehlers-Danlos is because of where the vagus nerve sits. It sits at the bottom of your skull, and your head weighs as much as a bowling ball. So when your head is loosey-goosey and doesn't stay on joint, it can compress down on your spine and compress down on the vagus nerve. This causes your vagus nerve to kind of act funky sometimes. That can cause things such as anxiety, depression, PTSD. It can cause an inability to lower one's resting heart rate. It can cause mess-ups in the digestive tract, mess-ups with your lungs, your heart, your liver, and your intestines and stomach. So problems like that are just a small portion of some of the things that can happen when you have Ehlers-Danlos. A couple other things are things such as TMJ, which is a disorder in your jaw that causes severe pain in your jaw. It can cause your jaw to lock up. It can cause your jaw to pop often or dislocate. You also have arthritis pain, chronic pain, and just overall miss-ups in your pain signals, which can also be an influence of the vagus nerve. Ehlers-Danlos can also cause problems such as irritable bowel syndrome, insomnia, memory loss, brain fog, which is where you know something, but your brain cannot connect to reality, it cannot connect to what is going on around you, it cannot remember things, and it's overall just foggy, kind of like when you walk through a door, don't know what you've been doing, but it's like that 24/7 until you get out of the brain fog moment. It can also cause chronic fatigue and motion sickness, migraines, astigmatism, and Charry malformation. I'm not quite sure if I said it right, but Charry malformation is where, due to the inability of your bones and organs and joints and everything to stay in place, your brain can shift. A few more things that Ehlers-Danlos can cause are teeth sensitivity, extreme flexibility, easy bruising, stretchy skin, and deformed or not full capacity working organs, such as mainly your heart, your lungs, and your bladder, which, yes, having to tinkle all the time is a result of having Ehlers-Danlos. It can also cause anxiety, depression, and overstimulation, where there are too many things going on in your head and in your body at one time and you feel completely exhausted or completely overwhelmed. I hope you guys learned a little bit more about what EDS encompasses, and if any of this sounds like you, again, I urge you to do your research and to go see a doctor and do what you can to put a name to what you're struggling with, because even though there isn't a lot out there that can combat EDS, there's enough that it can give you peace of mind. So, see you guys next week.